New Zealand, this one's for you. We've got the Sunrise Bahamas 24-footer, off-road, off-grid, built with an aluminium frame and one of the largest ensuites on the market, going over to New Zealand to our new customers, Roger and Julie. They're not so new because they're returning customers of ours, but when they were looking to other van, they thought no further than Sunrise Caravan. So let's unpack and see what they've ordered. This is a beast, a monster of a caravan. Stay with me because you want to see the off-grid system. You're going to see the ensuite in this van. So let's get it started. DO45 all-terrain coupling, hot tip galvanized chassis, large toolbox. We've got the dual sliders on either side, gas bottles inside, 3208 tear weight, 212 on the ball, and a 4-ton TM, so it gives them close to over 700 kilos of payload. We've got the Boss drop down legs, picnic table. We've got 3 annex lights that are bug lights as well. But check out something cool what Roger and Julie added to their van. An electric step. That's a cool idea. I like that. Full wide composite. You got your checker plate right there. TV compartment. You got your 16-inch wheels, Oz-Trekker coil off-road suspension with twin shockies. Check that out. That's a beast of a suspension right there. You got your toilet cassette right there, SOG toilet. And then we spin around the back here. We've got another spotlight, reversing camera. And let's check out more storage in the corner right there. But let's check out, this is the most exciting bit, the off-grid system on this van. Now, if you've been watching my videos, you know I'm a big fan of 48 volt system. I just love 48 volts. I love everything they do. And this system doesn't disappoint as well. It's got 10.2 kilowatts of battery power right there. So if you want me to convert it into 12 volts so you understand it better, there's about 800 amps of 12 volt battery there, which is equivalent to 10.2 kilowatts of 48 volt battery. 1185 watts of solar on the roof, and we use the big sun power solar panels. And check out the system right there. So when it comes to 48 volt system, we use Ryan from Innovation RV. Now, we've been doing 48 volt system with Ryan for close to 5-6 years. So while everyone's playing catch up with 48 volt systems, starting to understand it and starting to see the benefits, we're years ahead of everyone else as we've been doing it for 5 or 6 years. We've got the Victron Multiplus 5,000 watt inverter right there. So this system right here, and we've got the DC to DC charger. So this system right here will allow Roger and Julie to be off-grid, not for weeks, but for months at a time. And Sunrise Mel, go ahead. You had a customer that had a similar system?
Absolutely. So we had a customer, they've got the same sort of system in there, and I've actually done a video with them. They went for 6 months without once putting a 240 litre into the side of the caravan, and they used everything from hair straighteners, air fryers, the fridge, the aircon, you name it. They had everything going.
And they were sceptical, weren't they?
They were sceptical at the start, but he came back and he said, by all means.
Well, I'm going to post that video so everyone can see. That's no better testimonial. 6 months on the road and didn't plug into power. Hot water service, gas, and 240. Hot dip, as I touched on before. I think Roger and Julie, they're going to be very impressed with this van. 1, for the off-road conditions. 2, for the off-grid. And 3, it's like a hotel on wheels, especially the ensuite area. So let's just go inside, and Sunrise Mill will do the walkthrough of the inside of the Sunrise Bahamas 24-footer, which is a larger ensuite.
Come on in, New Zealand. Start at the front of the caravan as we always do.
Yep.
So we've got the Queen Island bed, pillow top mattress. You've got plenty of storage underneath the Queen bed. Little cutout niches on either side of the bed there. Overhead cupboards. You've got your 2 12-volt fans above the bed, which is going to come in handy. Sometimes you don't necessarily want the aircon on. As Caravan Steve mentioned, there is an onboard diesel heater. So Roger and Julie chose the Spacious, so the control's nice and handy next to the bed there.
Lovely.
TV is in a great position, so they can watch TV in the bed, or they can swivel it around to their club lounge, which this
I think they've got a
club,
27 or 28 inch.
They do, absolutely. Yes, they do. So this club lounge does convert to another bed when needed as well. But the beauty about it is you can swivel the table around, as you can see how we've got it now, and you can actually use it like a cafe dinette seating. So much space between here and the table. If you're sitting back, lounging, watching TV, put your feet up, plenty of room. You've still got room for a glass of wine or a beer if you drink beer. But yeah, you've plenty of room at the table there. This does come in handy if you want to use it for a little bit more bench space in the kitchen. But you know what? Roger and Julie aren't going to need that because they've just done a little bit different in the kitchen. They've gone away with traditional style cooking. What we've got down here is we've got the 3-in-1 microwave, convection oven and air fryer. And they've also gone with the 2-burner induction cooktop.
That's plenty of bench space right there. Look at that.
Plenty of bench space. So plenty of bench space over here. The TV's in the bedroom, so it's not in the way. You've got a double power point here. You've got a double power point up this end of the kitchen. Great position for a coffee machine.
And how many drawers have they got? They've got 1, 2,
1, 2,
3,
4.
4. And 4 drawers
5,
here.
6, 7, 8, 9.
9 drawers
in the
just
kitchen alone.
in the kitchen. Wow.
So this van boasts a lot of storage.
Yeah.
So traditionally over here would be a full height roll-up pantry, but Roger and Julie chose to forego that and put shelving up here. Still 4 pantry baskets, but then 4 or 5 drawers going down.
Lovely.
Next to the fridge here. Speaking of fridge, it's a 224-litre compressor fridge, so this will run off the system as well. So as I said, there's so much power in this van, you're never going to run out.
That's
correct.
correct.
Never going to run out. But this is the kicker. This is where everything changes. So we've got a massive ensuite right here for Roger and Julie. Now it does have...
Excuse me, Sunrise Milk. Can I just go over here? So, yeah, let's go.
Additional hanging over here.
Yep.
Apart from the robes in the bedroom, we've got 4 drawers here, a little bit of storage under here, but over here there's another 6 drawers, so there's a total of 10 drawers.
And 9 drawers in the kitchen.
9 drawers
Wow.
in the kitchen, plus the 5 here.
Wow.
I'm a drawer person myself at home. Plenty of bench space still in the bathroom, so you can put your toothbrush holders and so forth along there. We have a top-loader washing machine here. We've got a nice big window here to let some natural light in, as well as the skylight above us. And then there's also another window above the toilet.
Yeah.
Now,
what have we got here?
Yes. So this was a crucial item that Roger and Julie wanted, and it's a heated towel rail. Certainly going to come in handy for New Zealand.
Yep.
It's quite special.
Special.
Absolutely it is. But next one, this is just as special. The large shower.
Wow.
So you can easily fit 2, if not 3 people in that quite easily.
Now, we're not saying why you should fit 2 or 3, but we're just saying you can fit 2 or 3 people in there. That's how big that shower mold is. Probably one of the largest shower molds in the industry.
It certainly is. So, folks out in New Zealand, if this is something that you think that you could see yourself travelling in, or if it's not and there's something else that you have in mind, we can certainly build your dream caravan. Can get it shipped over to New Zealand and be travelling in comfort and style. Features are up to you. So if you want to know a bit more, why don't you hit the team up here at sales@sunrisecaravans.com.au. Our website, if you want to have a look through the website, is www.sunrisecaravans.com.au. Guys, we like to say a big thank you to Roger and Julie for once again allowing us to fulfill their dreams. Not only have they got a caravan here in Australia, but they're also taking this baby home with them. So stay tuned and see it out there on the roads in New Zealand, and stop by and say hello to Roger and Julie.
And one more thing. I love the colour scheme in this. Love it. Well done, Julie. I know it was all you. Sorry, Roger, I can't throw you in the mix. I know it was all Julie, but yeah, this has come up very, very nicely. And that's one of the other benefits here at Sunrise Caravans. You get to choose your own colours inside and out and customise it to your liking. Alrighty, guys, thank you for this video. Hit that like, follow, share. If this is content that you're enjoying, we've got more videos coming your way, don't we, Sunrise Mill?
We certainly do.
Alrighty.
Look forward to seeing you on the next one.
See you later, guys.